Hi and welcome to our daily walk. We've decided to do a little video every day when we go for our daily dog walk and see what goodies we find. Obviously it's easier at certain times of year, so we'll see how we go. We're going to look at different plants and look at what's growing in the hedgerows, what we can turn into things, what's medicinal. We're going to just do lots of learning and lots of exploring. So we're British countryside, daily British countryside walks with my son, who thinks it's funny making funny noises while I'm recording. So it's the 8th of June. Happy Wednesday 2022. Let's see what we can find today. So our first spot of the day is a deer in the field. Not sure if you can see that there. So 8th of June, as we've said, and I've spotted our first foxglove. Can you see that, Charlie? And the bees absolutely love these. If I can get in a bit closer. What a beautiful colour. So this is the hedgerow along our track, and just showing you because you've sort of missed the beginning. It's beautiful cow parsley. It's just coming into seed now because it's almost over, but it's been so pretty all the way up the track. And then behind it, some ferns popping up. And lots of nettles, which I love. And then also, if you look even further in, here, look. We've got some meadow sweets starting to come up. My aim is that I'm gonna try and learn all of these things every year, and I seem to manage to forget them each year round, so I'm hoping. So I'm not sure what that is, so I need to look that up. If I do this regularly, I may remember them. I love spring. Well, we're late spring now, but very beautiful. So another thing that's just starting to come through is the hogweed, and this year I'm trying to differentiate between hogweed and giant hogweed, which I'm aware is quite toxic, so I'm trying to make sure that I can tell the difference. As far as I'm aware, this is the common hogweed, but on here I've just spotted, let's see if I can get closer, this gorgeous beetle who has just got an amazing shell on it. Let's see if I can zoom in. It tends to lose quality a bit, I think.
There's a bug on it.
Isn't he gorgeous?
There's a bug on it.
Can you see that, Charlie?
Yeah, there's a bug on it.
That's beautiful. He actually looks like he's got a little sticky jack hanging over his head. So here's the beauty of nature, is that on one side we've got the blossom from the hawthorn, which is now over, and then we're just coming into the elderflowers, which are absolutely beautiful. So new elderflowers just coming out. This one hasn't even opened yet. And the smell, which obviously you can't smell at the moment, you either love it or hate it, I think. And then we'll have on the other side the new berries, which are just starting to form from the hawthorn, ready for the autumn. So today is a really warm day and really feels really close and very stormy, so I just thought to a shot of that sky. It's pretty Another thing we enjoy to observe over the months is the grass growing. And there's so many beautiful things. Earlier on we saw this field was just full of dandelions. You can hear the peacocks in the background. And now Charlie can hardly see over it because it's getting so tall. And the colours are just beautiful. So the red clover seems to be doing really well this year. So they come down into the grasses. And we've got lovely colours. Lots of buttercups, lots of different grasses. Just stunning. So we've got lots of skylarks in this field, and I don't think you can probably just see it. Really? When they first arrive, presumably finding I presume they pair up, ready for nesting. Let's come right next to us. On the days when they go high up into the sky, you can just hear the sound. It's really difficult to try and spot that sky behind. That's beautiful. Here we go. Skylark. He's gone. High up in the sky. You can hardly see him. But hopefully you can hear him.
Beautiful, aren't they?
They are really beautiful.
I want one for my diary.
Yeah. Should we pick one and take one home?
Yeah.
The colours are absolutely stunning.
Let's pick one home.
I love watching how they blow in the wind as well.
Thank you for joining us today on our walk. We hope you've enjoyed coming along with us and that you found some inspiration or some calmness or just a little piece of the British countryside, which is what we're hoping to bring to you each day. And yeah, share our walk with you and journeys and findings. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel if you find it interesting and you want to keep up with us, and we look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye bye.